We're your teacher friends.
Hi, it's Lydia.
And Heather, we're your teacher friends, back with another activity that you can do in the classroom.
This one I really like.
Oh, this one. This is an engineering activity where we'll be using a simple machine, but we'll be mixing in creativity from the students to make a design of a machine for a particular purpose. And these are some of the materials that you'll need.
So don't be intimidated by these materials. This is actually a very simple circuit that you'll be putting together to make this machine. Bring this list to your local friendly electronic shop and they'll be able to fit you out with all the equipment that you require. You'll need 2 AAA batteries or AA. You'll need a battery holder. Ideally, it comes with alligator clips at the end of it. It just makes things easier for you. A 3-volt motor, plastic cup, or something else from the your recycling box, and some masking tape. That's all you need. Shall we put this together?
Yes, I'm ready.
This is a great lesson to be doing with year 5 and 6 kids when they're learning about circuits and how to make a complete circuit, because it wouldn't work otherwise without it. So could you please slide in the batteries? Thank you. Good. It's good to take note of the picture, the diagram inside the battery holder, to know which way to orientate the batteries so that it works. Do you mind holding on to this while I tape it down?
Double tape.
Just nice and secure. And to this we will connect the motor. A glue stick has been attached to the end of this motor, and it's been attached in such a way that it's off balance, so that as it turns, it creates an unbalanced force that causes the machine to do this. To do this, exactly right. To insert the glue stick onto the motor, it's good to just make a little hole with a pin or with a barbecue skewer, and then continue pushing it until you get it securely attached to the end of the motor. This motor will spin, so you have to make sure that it's not hitting anything as it spins. Okay, here we go. Here we go. To whatever question, the answer is more tape.
And one more.
And one more, just to be sure. Okay, the rule of thumb is red to red, black to black. Heather, will you do the honors and turn on this machine? Whew. So can we redesign this machine for different purposes? That's the aim of this task. Could we turn it into a sumo wrestling machine? Here we go.
Oh, can we see where the parts are on this? We've got the motor.
We do.
And the glue, the wires, the clips. We've got the battery there.
All right.
Oh, so mine's going to battle yours.
Shall we make them face off?
You are in so much trouble.
We'll see. Mine's just ignoring yours now. Get in there. Mine likes to go in circles. Mine's more of a dancing bot. But you could also modify your machine to do some art. So fiddle around with different art and craft things that you have in your classroom to give your machine some personality. So this is us modifying it with markers to create some art. This is introducing the Da Vinci bot.
Whoa! A nice big piece of paper.
Right.
Oh, it's great with this one little machine that we can make so many different types of machines for different purposes, and a good use of creativity there.
So we're sure that your students will have lots of fun with this activity.